are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
We're going to season the steak. This video is to review the pizza oven as it cooks steak. We'll see if it's any good. Since you guys know I love steak anyway, this is my favorite steak rub. It's called the Best Prime Steak Rub, basically. It looks like ash. It's a little clumpy right now, so I'm shaking it up. But it literally will make your steak taste like and smell as it's cooking like it's in a steakhouse. I don't care how heavy you put it on. We're gonna let this set on in the fridge for a little bit. It looks like ash, but I'm telling you, it's my number one. All right, guys, welcome back to the show. You saw us do the pizza. We did the pizza, came out beautiful. But you know I gotta do steak. We gotta try it out. So I found a steak sauce that's carnivore. We're gonna make that and show you how to make it. And we're gonna use this on steak. So it's kind of two videos in one. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, these have been seasoned all day. This is gonna be fired up in a minute. But let's go back here, start browning the butter, and make our steak sauce. Okay, guys, this is probably the most difficult step. We're going to melt 2 sticks of butter and brown the butter. Not blacken. Keep an eye on it. Make sure you got a whisk, because you're going to keep whisking it. It's going to get golden brown, okay, over time. So you keep an eye on that, because we're going to use that in our sauce. Guys, just kind of continuously whisk so you don't lose control of it until it becomes golden brown. You can wait a few seconds. Keep it moving. This is important for the flavor. It brings the sweetness out of the butter, which you didn't see off camera. This foamed up to about here. Kept stirring and starting to turn dark golden brown. We cut this up. Go ahead and place the whole block of cream cheese in there. Just randomly. Doesn't have to be any specific way. Then you're going to take your bone broth, put that in there. Here's something really cool. You're going to take a little bit of truffle salt, put that in there, and then you're going to pour the butter into the blender. All right, it's all in there now. Beautiful. Okay, now blend it up. Making a little sneak taste. Wow, it's gonna be interesting. Oh my gosh. That's kind of really good. I thought the carnivore steak sauce was going to be nasty. It's freaking good. That's amazing. It's got a sweetness to it. That must be like the truffle salt. But this is really good. Surprisingly, it's not even the color I expect. So we'll leave that up to the side. We're going to cook the steaks in our new pizza oven that we got from, what was it? GA Home Favor. Okay. So it's got a steak setting. So let's do it. It's going to take literally a minute and a half. All right. So we're going to hit start to get it preheated. Once again, 550, minute and a half. I don't think I've ever cooked a steak for a minute and a half. I think it's going to be a little longer because it's a little thicker. We're doing a full chuck roast. All right, so it's at 550 right now. We're going to open it up. And we're going to place in the steaks. They said a minute and a half, but I do rare, so it may be sooner. All right. All right, guys. So roughly an additional maybe 3 minutes because these are thick cuts of chuck. They're beautiful. They're gorgeous. So we're going to cut into these right now. So we have proven that the pizza oven cooks steak amazing. We're cutting into it now. Let's get a good look at this. Smells amazing. So we cooked it for about 3 minutes total. We let it rest for about 10 minutes total. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, and now we are going to try the carnivore steak sauce. Can you believe I still get excited over steak? I think everybody does. All right, so let's give this a try. Got a piece right here. Gonna dunk it in here. Gonna spill it all over the place. And my wife's gonna kill me. Here we go. This is amazing. So good. Seasoning, sauce, it all works. Well, oh look, it's dinner time. I don't care if it's 7 in the morning. It's dinner time. So I'm gonna eat this. I dare you. I dare you to try that. Even if you're not carnivore, that's amazing. That's also keto friendly, of course. Any carnivore recipe is also keto friendly. So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Enjoy.